Nanobot technology combines with gold nanoparticles in transforming the treatment of NFN-related diseases. The tiny warriors precisely target and destroy the cancer cells, while the gold nanoparticle enhance imaging and delivery, ensuring the more effective and personalized approach. Say goodbye to invasive procedures and hello to the brighter future.
In a quiet suburban home in India, the Dhyani family faces daily challenges with neurofibromatosis type 1 in their daughter Kanishka. Unpredictable symptoms and tumor disrupt her life, and with no direct treatments and high care costs, they endure constant stress and financial strain.
Nanobots are designed to perform precise tasks at the cellular level. They might deliver targeted therapies directly to the affected cells or tumors. By navigating through the bloodstream and precisely targeting diseased cells, nanobots minimize damage to the healthy cells. Gold nanoparticles, on the other hand, are tiny pieces of gold. They can be used to visualize precision, allowing for monitoring, adjustment of treatment plans. Their ability to be customized for various functions and their effectiveness in treatment of NF1-related diseases is a promising tool to fight against NF1 in the future.
Our solution is superior due to its advanced technology and targeted strategy, making it a groundbreaking advancement in NF1 treatment. This dual approach offers unparalleled precautions and effectiveness, minimizing side effects and minimizing impact.
Limited time offer. Revolutionize your health with NanoCare. Are you or your loved ones affected by anything related diseases? Experience the future of medicines with NanoCare. Order now and visit www.kidcompany.in to learn more and schedule your appointment.